This is the in-dash audio control. This is required for any audio upgrade. If you want to put a television in here, this is where you're going to run all of your sound, all of the kind of entertainment aspect of the inside of the van. I'm hooked up to Bluetooth on here, and so turn on the music. A really cool aspect to the Pioneer system that we use is Apple Play. So you really just plug in here, and automatically it connects to the system here, and it will mirror your iPhone. Apple CarPlay. It's super nice. This is especially nice on long road trips where you are using maps, and so you don't have to keep picking up your phone, putting it back down, which is pretty unsafe. So as you can see here, I mean, you have maps. You can go to your home button and you can look at your phone, like calls that you've had. You can go to messages, Siri also. Shut up, Siri. So what's really nice about the in-dash audio control screen being bigger is that whenever you're in a van, sometimes you have thermal curtains up, sometimes you have gear that's blocking your view from behind, and so you find yourself really utilizing the rear view screen often. And so whenever you put it into reverse, it automatically pops up the rear view on your screen, and so it'll tell you where you're heading. Whenever you're getting close to something, you'll be in the red marks, kind of just like any rear view screen works, except it's much bigger, which is really nice. And then it'll start beeping at you whenever you get really close to something. The front screen just turns on with DC electric, which you'll just find up here with all of our controls, your cargo light, accent lighting, dome lighting, and here's DC electric. And when it's blue, it's turned on. So click that off, screen's off, click it back on, and the screen automatically turns back on. That is your in-dash audio control.